Welcome to our quick guide on manufacturing digital signage. In under 3 minutes, we'll navigate the challenges the manufacturing sector faces with conventional communication methods and how digital signage is enhancing operational efficiency and safety. First, let's address the challenge of efficient communication across the manufacturing facility. It's essential, yet challenging. The solution? A digital signage system that offers straightforward content management and design versatility, making it simpler to share critical updates and cohesive messages across all areas. Safety at manufacturing facilities is paramount. For organizations striving for zero injury days, digital signage is essential. It can convey safety protocols or training videos, show a counter for days without accidents, and initiate screen takeovers during earthquakes, fires, and other emergencies using the overrides feature, triggered via the Common Alerting Protocol. Managing consistent messaging across various production areas is a notable challenge. The necessity? A unified approach to information dissemination. The answer lies in a centralized digital signage solution, allowing for swift updates facility-wide, ensuring that everyone, from the office to the production line, receives the same important updates, minimizing confusion and enhancing coherence. What about enhancing operational awareness? In the busy environment of a manufacturing facility, it's crucial to keep everyone informed. Traditional methods often fall short in this regard. Manufacturing digital signage, with its ability for dynamic updates and live dashboards, plays a key role in displaying real-time operational data, fostering a safer and more informed workplace. For transitioning to digital signage or upgrading existing systems, essential components include screens and media players, a dedicated team for content and device management, and robust digital signage software tailored to manufacturing needs. And speaking of modern software solutions, that's where TelemetryTV comes in. This leading cloud-based digital signage software is adept at serving the unique requirements of the manufacturing sector, simplifying the management of digital signage systems and supporting the efficient, safe, and informed operation of manufacturing facilities. Interested in learning more? Download your free digital signage buyer's guide. Click the link in the description for comprehensive insights into the best hardware, software, and maintenance practices for your manufacturing digital signage. Thank you for watching.